Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Dubai Love Lake. I'm here in Love Lake today. We are here to take some nice pictures and of course enjoy barbecue later in the evening. I'll show you guys how it goes. I just ordered ice cream for us. It's so nice that they have a cafe here. Love Lake. Love, what is it? Flanagan. You just get ice cream and go inside. And here is the entrance to Love Lake. I wanted to share you guys that it's free of cost. There's no entry fee or anything. And it's a hot day, so I wanted to enjoy my ice cream. Here is it. And it's around 1 hour from Dubai to this venue. The view of Love Lake from above is so beautiful and I wanted to show you guys how it looks like. And here's the picture. And that's my sister and my brother-in-law walking and enjoying the view. The weather is so nice today. It's almost winter. I want to show you guys this place. It's so beautiful. I'll take another picture here. It's been like 1 or 2 years ago. I took a picture here in the around the flower and it's so beautiful. Just show the view once. From here, it's so nice. Oh my god, this view, I love this place. It's the second time here and it's so beautiful. How is it? Look at the flowers. So dreamy and romantic. I wish I have a Prince Charming here right now. Nice. I love winter in UAE. In the winter, a lot of tourists or residents they come to Love Lake or Qudra Lake, which is very close by, to have barbecue and camping. Finally, we're done with the pictures and let's go to our spot to have barbecue. I'll show you guys how we do the setup and everything. I'm here with my sister and it's almost sunset. So we have to rush and go set up our tank and then prepare for the barbecue and enjoy our drinks and the barbecue. This place will be very nice, no, to get married and stuff. Nice venue. Now so many people. Too much people. The view is just so beautiful. Now we go to the car and then just use the washroom. This is our car. So we go and we go to the spot which we looked before and we'll start setting up. Right now, the barbecue is, the fire is started. Everything is, we are preparing everything. At the meantime, we'll start preparing some snacks. So we have lamb, chicken wings, and the shrimps are coming up soon. Oh my god, the fire is so strong. You want me to turn it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sticking.
না না এটা হলে পুড়ি যাবে
Wow, it's looking amazing.
You just scrape it and I'll turn it. Don't drop it.
Sorry. Where's the cat? You need to touch the cat.
Can you scrape it? Yeah, just move it and then I'll turn it. Slowly, be careful.
Nice. Oh, so hot. Lamb chops. Ah, so hot. Mmm. So juicy, tender. It's my time to cook now. Come here, show. So I'm cooking corn. We already boiled the corn at home, and some the onion, white onion. And here we have shrimp, garlic, and some tomatoes. I wish we had some oil, no, to drizzle around the onion. Eat, it's chicken for you, special.
Huh?
Chicken wings. Done and dusted for the barbecue. We're all set to leave. Bye, have a good night. And that's all about my video in Love Lake and barbecue. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.